This video will show you how to rename sheets in Microsoft Excel. Naming your sheets with meaningful names is important for screen reader users so that they can navigate your spreadsheet. I've started a new spreadsheet which I'm going to develop over the course of these videos. I've created 4 sheets, and at the moment they have the default names Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3 and Sheet 4. I'm going to rename those. One way I can rename them is to right-click with my mouse and click Rename. That then highlights the word Sheet 1 and I can give this one a name. I'm going to call this sheet Index. We'll come back to that in a later video, and then I'll hit Enter. I'm going to go to Sheet 2. Another way I can rename those is in the Home ribbon and in the Cells section. The drop-down menu for Format includes Rename Sheet, so I can click on that and then rename it. I'm going to rename this one Dragon Tests and hit Enter. Now I'm going to rename Sheet 3. If you don't use a mouse, if you prefer to use a keyboard, you can press the Alt key, select H for Home, O for Format, and R for Rename. And I'm going to call this one Summary and hit Enter. The 4th sheet I'm going to save for now. It may or may not be needed. If I don't need it though, I will delete it. So that's how you rename your sheets.